thank you very much for coming today. So today we're gonna test on a paper prototype an application called Geek. It's a learning tool that you will see in a moment. And as we discussed what's going on in this session, you're gonna be asked to complete a set of tasks, and you will be asked to think out loud if you find it easy, if you find it hard, and if there is some tasks that you're not able to complete, that's totally fine. So don't feel pressure that you cannot complete something, and if you do complete it, that's beautiful. And this is a consent form for you to sign. And as soon as you finish that, we can start.
There you go.
Thank you much, Subway. Okay, so this is the first screen. And I'm gonna hand you the first task that you're required to do. Which is this one. Okay, so pardon me for the waiting.
Put my email and press continue. I will put my password and then continue.
Alright, so we have the application. And I'm gonna hand you the edit tasks.
Give feedback on the lesson. What do you mean by feedback? Is that the watch a video and after put some comments, or is it something like this?
Yeah, so you have to undertake the first lesson, and after that you will give your feedback.
Alright. I was HTML.
So the only selection on the paper prototype is just the yellow one.
Alright. So SketchUp. So blah 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 blah. So introduction, so let's go. So that's the course timeline, is it?
What's it?
Timeline, the course timeline that you will, it will display the courses or the videos or.
Yeah, so this doesn't have video, so it's pretty much the opposite of whatever you see lynda.com and everything. It's just on screen. It's gonna give you description of what it is.
Okay, alright. Yeah. So next. Selection of shapes. Alright, this one.
So this is the pop-up that it's gonna show if it's
not quite. This one.
Beautiful. So this is the right answer.
Alright. So next. Alright, next. 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 Good. Thumbs up.
Yeah. So this was the task.
Alright.
This is the other task. So this is the third task. Actually, this is the third task.
Share achievements on business and social media.
Social media, yes. So you already gave the
thumbs up.
yeah.
Yeah.
So this is the
The
pop-up
pop-up message. All right. So, yep. Share on Facebook.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
And this is the last.
Set the
So which is like you can see on the screen.
Mm-hmm.
If
How can I go back? I mean,
so to go back, you can either swipe on the task, but if you like, can you see how to set up a daily goal from this screen, or it's not clear?
swipe left.
Now this is like in the lesson. If you want to go
in
back,
the
if
lesson.
you didn't understand something.
Oh, okay.
But in
Alright.
this screen, do you see something that allows you to set up like a daily goal?
Mm-hmm. So, in these buttons or?
Yeah, in this like in the whole screen,
In
do
the
you
whole
see something
screen.
that it says
Alright.
like
Set daily goals. All right. I will click on that. Set daily goals. So is that a slider?
yeah. So this is slider. Yeah.
All right. So. All right. Let's do it.
Thank you very much. So that concludes the set of tasks
Mhm.
that we had for this session. So, what do you think about it?
I think it's a pretty design. The one thing I noticed that's like it's only a one activity application. Like you see everything on one screen. You should have like multiple screens so you can go back in the previous activity. So
Okay.
yeah, instead of
So
like
you
try-
mean as you mean in the same course, like you want to go back in the screen, or you mean what exactly do you mean by that?
for example, you're just playing everything on the same screen. I think so that's not important actually. It might be I'm wrong.
No. It's
Yeah.
it's like I'm interested in actually what's the point you're trying to
Mhm.
make. So.
So, alright. What if I click on these buttons? So does
So,
it
yeah.
change the activities or it displays?
Yeah,
the
it gives
same?
you like another. So, for example, this is the learning page.
Uh-huh.
And if you say like you want to press on this one, it gives you like to this
Oh,
page.
okay. Yeah, that's
This
cool.
section.
Yeah.
So,
Mhm. So yeah, I think that's a cool design. I didn't find it hard. So any suggestions? Probably not now.
it's okay. You can
Yeah.
have a think
Yeah.
about it. I'll email you the post questionnaire anyway, so
Uh-huh.
you can
Yeah.
write your thoughts about it.
Yeah. Exactly.
Um,
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.